Welcome to Berna's Kitchen. On our YouTube channel, we're going to show you what we do with our dressings and lots more. So for our first video today, we're doing Berna's sandwich fillers. So we're going to start off with, we're going to do a chicken with our Basil Lime dressing. We have lovely Irish chicken fillets from the craft butcher in Rathdrum. What we do at home is we would cook these maybe on a beginning of the week on a Sunday and chill them and have them in a box in our fridge, and then they're ready there to use as sandwich fillers during the week. So I have the chicken fillet, which is cooled down. It's about 25 minutes out of the oven. And I am now going to add the basil lime dressing to it. The thing with our basil lime dressing is always give it a good shake, because it's all natural ingredients and they tend to, they need a good shake. So I'm drizzling quite a bit, you can see, of the basil lime dressing over the chicken, and this actually keeps quite well in your fridge for a couple of days as well, you know, or you can make it up as you go. Now I'm going to slice the granary bread here to start with. And you can see how lovely this bread is and all the air bubbles in it. Now, if you want, you can put, you know, a little bit of butter on it or a little bit of mayonnaise or whatever. But to be perfectly honest, there is so much of our delicious dressing on the chicken that really it doesn't require you to do that, which makes it a very, very healthy sandwich. And there is your chicken basil and lime sandwich with rocket cherry tomatoes and Berna's basil lime dressing.
Berna's famous chicken basil lime.
Berna's famous chicken basil lime. Cameraman, is it not just so delicious? Isn't it? Mm. Really good chicken from Martin's, the craft butcher in Rathdrum. That's the secret. You must go to a good butcher. No.
But stress that the basil lime is a sandwich filler. It's a dressing. It's more than a dressing. It's more than just a dressing.
Yeah. I hope you've enjoyed my first video in Berna's Kitchen. Please subscribe below.